Hello guys, today we're talking about the Hisense AX5140Q 5.1.4 channel Dolby Atmos Soundbar. And this system doesn't just sit under your TV. It completely transforms the way your room sounds the moment you press play. Right away, it delivers full, cinematic audio that feels powerful instead of flat, making regular TV speakers feel instantly outdated. The biggest highlight is the 5.1.4 channel setup, which gives you real depth and surround immersion. You get clear left and right channels, a dedicated center speaker that keeps dialogue sharp, surround speakers that widen the soundstage, and upward-firing Atmos drivers that add height effects. In action movies, overhead sounds like rain, helicopters, and explosions actually feel like they're happening around you, not just in front of you. Dolby Atmos performance here is surprisingly immersive for this class. Voices stay natural in the mix, music remains detailed, and sound effects feel layered instead of messy. The wireless subwoofer adds strong bass with punch and weight, but it stays controlled, so it doesn't overpower dialogue. Rear speakers also help create true surround presence, making the room feel bigger and more engaging. Connectivity is modern and easy, with HDMI, eARC, optical, and Bluetooth, so setup is quick and frustration-free. Overall, the Hisense AX5140Q delivers rich bass, real Atmos immersion, and balanced surround sound, making it a strong choice if you want a home theater vibe without complicated wiring.